Let's see how a stakeholder can execute a test case in KTern. To view the test cases assigned to you, navigate to My Workspace, and then click on My Test Cases. Here, you'll be able to see all the test cases assigned to you. My Workspace is a personalized space where each individual can view the work items they are responsible for. You can also track your testing progress using the donut chart displayed here. To execute a test case, click on the launch icon for the respective test case. This will take you to the test case wizard. The test case wizard contains 4 sections: Test Center, Test Lab, Defect Repository, and History. Let's start with the Test Center. In the Test Center, you can view all the test case metadata, such as the test case status, priority, type, assigned stakeholders, and planned dates. If you need to add or view files related to the test case, you can use the Files section. If you want to initiate a discussion with a team, you don't need to rely on third-party applications. You can use the Discussion section, tag any project member, and start communicating directly. An email notification will be automatically triggered to the tagged users. To start executing the test case, clicking on the Start Execution button. If multiple test scripts are available, you can select the appropriate script from the overview before starting execution. Once selected, the test steps will be displayed. You can go through each step, verify whether the expected result is achieved, and mark the step status accordingly. You can also record the actual result in the provided field. If any test step fails, and you mark the step status as failed, a Raise Defect button will appear. From here, you can raise the defect related to the issue you encountered. Fill in the mandatory fields and submit the defect. Once you've completed execution and recorded the test results, click on Add Execution to save the execution details. The saved test results will be available under the Test Lab, in the Test Log section. Each test log displays the script title, who executed it, and the execution result. You can preview a log by clicking on the eye icon. Only the stakeholder who executed a particular test log can edit the step results, using the edit icon, if required. Any defects raised during execution will be available in the defect repository. Finally, all changes and updates made to the test case will be recorded in the History section for future reference.